Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android header unit for Volvo S80 1998 to 26 year. Okay, you can check this UI interface. You can choose time, you can choose logo and choose other. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car header unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose Volvo logo. You can edit this theme color. You can choose blue and other color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Let me connect SSR. Long press to set the application. It supports Google Voice command. New York. It will search the New York automatically. New York City. Okay. What's time in China? You can check this 9:80 p.m. Okay, let me put our website belsee.com. Okay, this is our website belsee.com, belse.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. You can check this Tesla model. Okay, let me back to home. You can click home button. Let me introduce Navy. Long press choose it's built in Google Maps. New York. It also supports voice command from Google Voice command. Sorry, its speed is slow because our country doesn't can visit Google. I just connect SSR to visit. Okay, you can check New York location. London. It will search London city automatically. Okay, it's download. Okay. You can choose. Okay, let me introduce music. There are two USB cables from header unit. From back of header unit, USB driver. Connect USB driver. It will play music automatically. Volume control. You see, the music, all sounds will be stopped, include music. If you hang up, it will do same thing. It play music again. Okay. You can stream music from your phone when you connect Bluetooth. Let me choose the volume control from your phone. Okay. gallery back to home. You can play video from USB phone. It's supposed to send some 4K demo video. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.